welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Goa mining case to be mentioned before Green Bench on Monday. Apex Court reconstitutes Green Bench. Union ministries too trying hard to get court orders relaxed. Leaving Goa politics was a tough decision. Some leaders did not want me in Goa, says Luisino Falero. Says party should not aim at toppling government. Goa downgraded in favorite tourist destination list. Domestic and international tourists moving away. Loses place in top 10 fastest growing destinations. Hundreds of senior IRB constables awaiting seniority status. Seniority file caught in red tape for 8 months. List to lapse by October if not cleared. And Ayodhya turns fortress. Uttar Pradesh police arrest Vishwa Hindu Parishad leaders for defying prohibitory order. Parikrama Yatra banned. VHP threatens nationwide agitation. Now news in detail. Forest bench of Supreme Court will likely decide the date of hearing on Goa mining matter on Monday. Advocate General will mention and plead for an early hearing before the Apex Court. Earlier, Forest bench headed by T.S. Thakur had denied to hear the Goa mining case. In current economic crisis, union ministries are also trying hard to get the order of court orders relaxed. Monday is a very crucial day for mining dependents.
Facing brunt of mining ban for almost a year, government wants the mining case before the Supreme Court to be expedited. Supreme Court has constituted Forest bench to hear Goa mining matter. Justice A.K. Patnaik, Justice Surinder Singh Nijar and Justice Ranjan Gogoi have been posted on the bench. Bench will finalize date of hearing on Goa matter. Till now, the matter is not listed before the Supreme Court. Advocate Nadkarni said that state will request the Forest bench to list Goa mining matter for an early hearing. Advocate Atmaram Nadkarni will appear before the new Green Bench on Monday. Haryana and Karnataka matter will likely come up before bench on Monday. It's almost 1 year mining is banned in the state following Supreme Court's order. Mining dependents on many occasions have hit the streets and have requested state and central government to strongly argue the case before the Apex Court. Recently, Union Finance, Mines and Law Ministry together have discussed options to move to the Supreme Court on relaxing mining ban in Goa. Even state government has decided to withdraw suspension of working mining leases. Even Environment Ministry is facing the heat. Will Monday yield results to this pressure build up? That's what Goa is eagerly waiting for. Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
It was a difficult decision for me to leave Goa politics 7 years back. Few of the Congress leaders in the state didn't want me in Goa. This has come from the AICC General Secretary and former Chief Minister of Goa, Luisino Falero. Falero says Congress in Goa should not aim at toppling the government. Luisino was speaking with Prudent in our weekly counterpoint.
Why is that you distanced yourself from Goa?
Well, let me confess to you, to leave Goa at that juncture was a very, very painful decision. And I was trying to bring in some whatever benefits which we could get from the center to the state. But I felt that our senior leaders were not very happy with that. But it is the duty of every political party, whether in government or whether in opposition, to nurture, to promote and protect young leadership.
Do you support that NCP should contest this North Goa seat, or you want that Congress should fight this seat?
Well, I will leave it to the local leadership.
As a Congress leader with Goa origin, would you support if Congress tries to topple the current Manohar Parrikar-led government?
Toppling the government should not be the objective of any political party. because land comes in the schedule of the constitution, it's a state subject, the state can legislate on that. But if you are talking of special category status, one of the main reason is financial.
Tourists' favorite destination, Goa, is no more a favorite for tourists. Goa is neither amongst the top 5 nor could manage to even figure in top 10 list of the country's favorite and fastest growing destinations for both foreign as well as domestic tourist visit. The latest data from Union Tourism Ministries says it all. Here is a report.
Not just mining, the tourism in Goa too seems to have bad patch now. The latest data of the top 10 Union Tourism Ministry indicates that Goa is no more favorite destinations list of domestic as well as foreign tourists. Have a look at the figures. Top 10 states domestic tourist visit. First Andhra Pradesh, second Tamil Nadu, third Uttar Pradesh, fourth Karnataka, fifth Maharashtra, sixth Madhya Pradesh, seventh Rajasthan, eighth Uttarakhand, ninth Gujarat, 10th West Bengal. Goa is out of list when it comes to domestic tourists. Goa with the beach tourism is believed as heaven for foreigners, but the Union Ministry's figures say something else. First Maharashtra, second Tamil Nadu, third Delhi, fourth Uttar Pradesh, fifth Rajasthan, sixth West Bengal, seventh Bihar, eighth Kerala, ninth Karnataka, 10th Himachal Pradesh. The most shocking news for Goa is that lesser known destinations such as Bihar and West Bengal, ranked 7 and 6th, have beaten Goa in the growth of foreign tourist arrival in the past 2 years. Iqbal Mullah, president of Travel Agents Association of India, says tourists want privacy on the beach, safety of their family and security for their belongings. Over the years, Goa's standard on all 3 counts started getting relaxed. Naturally, tourists are increasingly choosing other locations. Saturation, a spate of crimes involving foreign tourists, and the emergence of other attractive destinations at home and abroad are being blamed for this slowdown. It's the biggest challenge that industry faces today. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Seniority list file of IRB constables is awaiting clearance for almost 8 to 9 months. It's all happening in the Home Minister Manohar Parekar's department. IRB seniority list file is with the crime branch awaiting clearance from officer. Officer claimed that the file is still under examination. Sources inform that period of 160 IRB constables seniority list will lapse if it is not cleared by October.
Seniority list of IRB battalion is caught in a red tape. Last year in the month of December, Indian Reserve Battalion Force seniority list file was moved to the crime branch. Sources informed that file was moved by the Superintendent of Police to crime branch. DYSP Neelu Raut Desai heads the committee. Committee has to check the representation filed by the IRB constables. File was moved on December 2012. Sources informed that Superintendent of Police has sent nearly 12 reminders to the committee. But till now, the file has not been cleared. Promotion of 160 IRB constables depend upon clearance of file. Prudent contacted DYSP Neelu Raut Desai over issue. He said, file of IRB PSIs has been cleared. File of IRB constable is under process. Sources inform that hardly 15 to 20 IRB constables have filed representation. Now the question being raised is, why is the committee taking so long time to clear file? Why is the committee ignoring reminders by SP? Sources inform that the IRB constable seniority list will lapse in October month if the file is not cleared by then. The department will have to go through whole procedure again, which may take more time. The fate of 160 constables is now at the mercy of this committee. First batch of IRB inducted in 2006 had nearly 660 constables. 7 years later, they are being left at the mercy of the Home Department officials, posing a question mark on the speedy and efficient functioning of the Home Ministry. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.